I'm gonna spend the whole day with my my rare, supposed to be a legendary, little dinosaur called Dino. And so we're gonna spend the whole day with Dino. So that's basically what we're doing today. And first we're gonna need to get out of this home. And let's see what he needs. So let's see what Dino needs. And we're just gonna lock my door because I don't really like people crashing into my house. I mean, there is gonna be a very small amount that somebody or someone is gonna come and get into my house, I guess, because I would really be really interested in such a small house, because I mean, that'll be really reasonable. Okay, that is much more. No, I decline it. Bye, lemonade. It's time to go home. Where's my Dino? Okay, Dino is coming up. Remember, yes, you need to sleep. Thanks, your friend. This guy's name is called Wish. That's such a weird name to me, of course, because I mean, my name is kind of weird too, but yeah, who cares? This is taking ever so fast. Come on, let's go home, Mr. Babe. What? Why is my house this color? Yes. Why is can anybody tell me why my house is that color? I probably changed that, but still, much better. That's way better. Pink is my color. Not anything else, but just pink. Okay, my Dino is going to go to sleep. But still, how can my house pick the color purple, even though, oh yeah, I think last time I changed it because it's always pink. Okay, Mr. Dino, you're coming with me. We're gonna spend the whole day just chilling out. They can ride on their cows and they're so lucky. I don't have those riding potions or flying potions or whatever you call them, so I can only pick them up. And it's not so much of a... Wait, this guy lives in Toronto? For real? This guy lives in Toronto? He knows Roblox? He knows what that means? Oh, hey! Let me see if any of my friends are here. I mean, yes, I know that one. Oh yeah. This kitty corn 6681 is me. And this kitty meow 9896 is me still. Let's see how our little feed thing. That guy has a really weird name. Even it's not even a name actually. I'm just saying. Don't steal my Dino, okay? Got it, everybody? Because some people scam it, so we're just gonna take the shortcut way to the home. Bye. Hey guys, so now we're finally back home, and my Dino says that she needs to go to the playground, but we are already at home, and he is driving me crazy right now. This happens to me all the time. Like, they want to go take a bath, okay, and then suddenly they just say, when I am right home or almost home, they just say, I need to go to the playground or something in town, which is super annoying. But still, I still love my little dino, and I still love my pets. So we're gonna go to the playground just as you say. Hopefully I don't crash again. No. Yeah. Boop, 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 boop. La la. Oh, la, 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 la. Come on, Dino. Let's get out of here. Come on, Dino. Hello, Mr. Dino. Got it. Use wave. Cash out. Wave. Use wave. Tunnel. And then go over here. La 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 la. It's taking forever. Okay, we're just going to make the shortcut way. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so now he is finally done with the playground. And I am finally back to my normal self. Ugh. Hey, Dino. Okay, you're going crazy, Mr. Dino. Whoa, la 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 la. Oh, no. How did they get up there? I also want to be up there too. I'm gonna go to these obbies. Even though I don't really, I've been to one of those obbies before, but mostly I just die. Oh, I want to go to the mini world. See how they look. Do we just go over here? I guess so. Oh, this obby is quite easy. First level is passed. Oopsie. Mr. Obby. Okay, never mind. I quit out. I quit. I'm easy to quit again. Oh my god. Oh, I didn't get sent to this party. And that's just not sending me anything. Okay, Dino. Hey, you! You're mean. Hey! This guy is so rude. Hey, yard cookie. I'm going. Okay. Nearby. Cookie Bro. Some request. Okay, Mr. Cookie. Or Mrs. Cookie, whatever you call yourself. You're gonna be friendly. Don't crash, please don't crash. I hate when people crash, especially myself. I'm literally turning myself. Oh, that is really fun. That's actually really cool, I gotta say it. Okay, yeah, that guy probably got it accident with the car. Hello? Does this guy even know how to drive? I hate driving those choo-choo trains. I mean, I don't know why, but it's just like very blocking. I'd rather have these two bicycles, like these two-person bicycles. What? Oh, who's this Maxine Yao? Maxine Yao. Okay. Let's go, Dino. Let's go. I want to see what's inside this house. Ooh, so what's inside that house? Brad? Oh, these floaties. Ooh, and those straws, those floaties. Are these tires? Oh, they're another type of floaty, except those weird type. Those arm type, I think they call it. Okay, so guys, that just concludes me spending the whole day in Roblox with my pet. That's supposed to be a legendary Dino. In Roblox, in a dot me. So I can see you tomorrow. Bye! And comment below what type of challenge you want me to do in Roblox or in or in other videos.